Far, far away lays a land known for the most delicate, subtle, and airy purees, creamiest soups, and chunkiest salsas. Many travelers have wandered through scalding deserts and stormy oceans to get their hands on the secret, but to no avail. Finally, one champion arose to the challenge. We are here today to deliver the secret tool to the masses, Sammic XM-12 Hand Blender. Our experts work extra hard to understand why Sammic blended products are so superior to other foods, and they have found quite a few advantages. The Y blade, composed of 3 sharp blades of tempered steel, allows you to chop foam and puree, all with the same tool. With only a small tilt of your wrist, this blender can change its function, requiring less time and effort than others. The precise design allows for no-nonsense like splashing in the kitchen. When Sammic users are faced with smaller quantities to blend, they don't have to use a different blender. They simply switch over to a shorter handle and keep working. After closely inspecting the handle, we also found that with Sammic's small maximum comfort grip, this powerful, serious machine feels as light and casual as a home blender, making sure the chef never feels overwhelmed by simple tasks. That seems to be the first step to success. Sammic is capable of blending for hours on end, never forcing you to interrupt the kitchen flow. They care about the money they can save you, but you know what else they care about? Safety. Their blender emits a light when connected to power, even if not spinning, signaling to your fingers to stay away from those sharp blades. After all the experiments, our experts dreaded the cleanup. They expected to have to disassemble everything, wash a dozen small individual parts, and lose some washers and one blade in the process. But no more. All Sammic requires of you is to pop off the handle and put the rest into the dishwasher. Wow, what a true masterpiece. The chef is impressed with Sammic's results, and you will be too. Respect your chef. The chef is always right. Unless they don't use Sammic, then you should find a new chef.